In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install for Mac. I assume that you have already gone to this URL here and you have downloaded and installed FreeShow for Mac, and also you have FileQuit. And now I just want to show you from here how to download this file. So I'm going to click this and you will see that there is the file downloaded here. To open the downloaded file, and you'll see down here at this arrow here, this is FreeShow Mac, and then my downloads, I will click at the arrow to open up the whole thing. What I do is I use the shift key and click here to select all this, and I right click, I copy, and I go to Documents, and I go to FreeShow under Documents. Now I'm going to right click here and I paste 6 items. Just now I copied, I put apply to all. I'm going to replace all the files, whatever files there were, it will replace. And you see, I get all this. Now I need to look at how to, let me close this. I need to open terminal program. To open terminal program, I have to go to the Finder here and click on it. I look for Applications and I go down. It is under Utilities, which is here. And I double click Utilities and there should be a terminal. That is a terminal. I click. Okay, some of you are already very familiar with this. Okay, I come here and I do this change directory to documents /FreeShow. This is already in the step. I enter. Now I am in the FreeShow, Documents FreeShow. Now all I have to do is run the script. perl space fix perl. And I just press enter. And it has done all, there are 17 files. What it has done is it's gone through and changed my folder documents to become the full address. In this case, it was /users and this long name. The username is so long here. So now let me just close this terminal. I've already finished. Now I'm going to run FreeShow. So I'm going up with Utilities. I go up because it's F, it's all alphabetically arranged. So here I just double click FreeShow and I can see that FreeShow is exactly how it is in the tutorial. Okay, that is it. Thank you and God bless.